Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Ahrefs to pull backlinks into Looker Studio, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Ahrefs website. Log into your Ahrefs account with your credentials. Navigate to the Site Explorer tab located in the main menu. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze in the search bar. Click on the search button to retrieve data for that URL. Once the data loads, locate the Backlinks section on the left sidebar. Click on the Backlinks option to view the list of backlinks for the specified URL. Now, open another tab in your browser and go to Looker Studio. If you're not logged in, sign in with your Google account. On the Looker Studio homepage, click on the blank report option to create a new report. In the Data Sources section, click on Add a Data Source. Search for Ahrefs in the connector options. Select the Ahrefs connector and click Authorize. You will be prompted to log in to your Ahrefs account again if necessary. Allow Looker Studio to access your Ahrefs data by clicking Allow on the permission prompt. Once authorized, return to your report in Looker Studio. Now, select the Ahrefs data source you just added. Click the Connect button to link the data source to your report. You will see a preview of the available data fields. Choose the relevant fields you want to include in your report. Click Add to Report to insert the data into your Looker Studio report. Customize your report layout and visualizations according to your preferences. Share or export your report as needed to collaborate with others. Your Looker Studio report now includes your Ahrefs backlink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.